Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 1 p.m. At 11:38 a.m., a cluster of severe thunderstorms was located over northern Cook and DuPage counties, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expects considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Chicago, Aurora, Naperville, Cicero, Schaumburg, Bolingbrook, Des Plaines, Orland Park, Oak Lawn, Berwyn, Wheaton, Oak Park, Downers Grove, Elmhurst, Lombard, Bartlett, O'Hare Airport, Streamwood, Carroll Stream, Romeoville, Plainfield, Hanover Park, Park Ridge, Calumet City, and Addison. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe